Menstruation, also known as a period, is a natural biological process that most women experience throughout their lives. It marks the beginning of a young woman's journey into womanhood, signifying her ability to conceive and bear children. It is a healthy and normal part of life. Many young girls might feel nervous or unsure about what to expect when it comes to their periods, but understanding what is happening can make it less daunting. Imagine your body as a delicate garden. Every month, your body prepares for a potential pregnancy. The lining of your uterus, known as the endometrium, thickens in anticipation of nurturing a fertilized egg. If pregnancy doesn't occur, your body sheds this lining through your vagina. This shedding process is what we call menstruation or a period. Menstruation typically begins during puberty, usually between the ages of 10 and 15, and continues until menopause, which generally occurs in a woman's late 40s or 50s. While it might seem a little scary or even embarrassing at first, it's crucial to remember that menstruation is a completely natural process. It is a sign that your body is functioning exactly as it should. Menstruation is an important topic that has been surrounded by stigma and misinformation for far too long. This guide aims to provide you with a clear and comprehensive understanding of menstruation, empowering you to embrace this natural aspect of your womanhood with confidence. The menstrual cycle is much more than just the bleeding you experience each month. It's a complex and fascinating interplay of hormones that orchestrates various changes in your body throughout the month. This cycle is primarily regulated by two small but mighty glands in your brain, the pituitary gland and the hypothalamus. The pituitary gland is like the conductor of an orchestra, releasing hormones that signal the ovaries, the almond-shaped organs that house your eggs, to begin their work. One of these crucial hormones is called follicle-stimulating hormone, or FSH for short. FSH plays a critical role in stimulating the growth and development of follicles within your ovaries. Think of follicles as tiny cradles that hold and nurture your eggs. As these follicles grow, they produce another essential hormone called estrogen. Estrogen is responsible for the thickening of the uterine lining, preparing it for a potential pregnancy. Meanwhile, the hypothalamus, our other important gland, acts as a vigilant monitor, keeping a close eye on the levels of estrogen and other hormones in your bloodstream. This intricate dance of hormones continues throughout your menstrual cycle, with each hormone playing a specific role in ensuring the smooth functioning of this incredible process. The menstrual cycle can be divided into three main phases: the follicular phase, ovulation, and the luteal phase. Each phase is marked by distinct hormonal changes and events within your reproductive system. First, the follicular phase kicks off on the first day of your period and lasts for about 14 days. Remember FSH, the hormone released by the pituitary gland? During the follicular phase, FSH encourages the growth of several follicles in your ovaries. As these follicles mature, they release estrogen, which thickens the lining of your uterus, preparing it for a possible pregnancy. Around day 14 of your cycle, a surge in another hormone called luteinizing hormone, or LH, triggers the release of a mature egg from one of your ovaries. This process is known as ovulation. The released egg then travels down the fallopian tube towards the uterus, hoping to meet a sperm along the way. After ovulation, the empty follicle that released the egg transforms into a structure called the corpus luteum. The corpus luteum is responsible for producing progesterone, a hormone that plays a crucial role in maintaining the thickened uterine lining, creating a nurturing environment for a potential fertilized egg. If fertilization doesn't occur, the corpus luteum disintegrates, causing progesterone levels to drop. This drop in progesterone signals the uterus to shed its lining, leading to menstruation. The cycle then begins anew, with the first day of your period marking the start of another follicular phase. While the experience of menstruation varies from person to person, there are some common symptoms that many women experience during their periods. Cramps are one of the most common symptoms, often felt as a cramping or aching sensation in the lower abdomen. These cramps are caused by the contraction of the uterine muscles as they shed the uterine lining. Other common symptoms include bloating, tender breasts, mood swings, and fatigue. These symptoms are temporary and usually subside as your period progresses. Remember, every individual is different, and what is considered normal can vary widely. It's also important to note that some discomfort during your period is normal. However, if you experience severe pain, excessively heavy bleeding, or any other concerning symptoms, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying